Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we just got some fresh snow and we got Xmaxx with paddle tires in the back. Should be pretty good because it's wet, so it should be I think the Xmaxx should do pretty good in the wet snow. So, woo. I just love how this thing throws up the snow. Woo! Okay, we're probably gonna try to take the ramp out and maybe set it up over there. Kind of curious, maybe get some air. This thing's already all packed up. Hopefully we land down there. This is actually my my brother-in-law first time jumping, so. Ooh, nice. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna go grab the other legs and make it a little bit higher. That's it for today's little bash. The battery just died. Probably gonna have to get more batteries so I don't run out as quick, especially now it's cold. So I'm gonna go get more batteries, and then hopefully maybe next time we'll come out here again with the ramp. All right, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time.